In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of product variants on Shopify, an essential skill for customizing your online store experience in 2025. If you're looking to enhance how your products are presented to your customers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's log into your Shopify account. Start by navigating to the My Store homepage. Dropping into the back end of your store will allow you to customize the intricate details like product variants, which can boost your customers' shopping experience. This setup forms the core of efficient store management. Once you're at your store's homepage, the next step is to click on Products from the menu. This section houses all the different products you have listed in your store. It is your virtual storefront where each item is meticulously categorized and displayed. This setup allows you to have full control over how your inventory appears to potential buyers. Now, select the specific product you wish to edit. Selecting the right product to edit is vital as this determines what variants you'll be working with. Pay attention to your inventory as you choose, ensuring that you're working with the right item at each step. Following this, head over to the Variants section within the product details. Variants allow your customers to choose different options for a product like size and color according to their preferences. This powerful feature can greatly enhance customer satisfaction by providing a tailored shopping experience. Next, you'll want to click on the Add options like size or color link. This is where you can introduce additional customization to your product. For instance, if you're selling a t-shirt, you may want to add size options like small, medium, or large. This step is the bedrock for versatile product detailing. With your options in mind, go ahead and add the variant you want. The key here is paying close attention to detail, ensuring all entries accurately reflect what is available in your stock. Doing so keeps your inventory organized and ensures that your customers receive precisely what they order. As you modify your variants, be sure to type in all necessary information. Entering the correct details about each variant is essential for maintaining order accuracy and inventory tracking. It also helps prevent future issues with order fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Once you've added all the desired variants and entered the necessary details, click on Done. This will exit you out of the variant editing mode and confirm your changes. You'll want to double check to ensure everything is correct before finalizing. Finally, click on Save to store all the changes you've made. This step solidifies all your edits and updates your product listings in your store. Saving is crucial as it ensures that your customers can now view and select the updated variants. And there you have it. You now know how to change the order of product variants on Shopify, allowing you to offer a more personalized shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.